Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think this is more likely to continue to trend up. I still think it is more likely that it will eventually go up and take out these highs, probably end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely looks like an expanding flat. This right here looks like a trend to me, so it's probably the beginning of a wave 3, like a wave 1. Whether or not the wave 2 is over, I guess is still questionable. I mean, at this point, it kind of looks like it's probably going to go down before it actually goes up to complete a wave 2, and then go up for a wave 3. It should all be subdivisions of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of wave 3. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, it definitely looks like a downtrend. Now, there's always a possibility that this does just keep on trending up based on the weekly and the monthly, but I actually think this is a wave A. I think that this is 3 waves up for a wave B, and I still think it's more likely to continue down, probably at least at a 61 or a 78%, probably end up looking something like that before it ends in ABC of 2 and then continues up for a wave 3, just like I was showing on the weekly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty impulsive counter trend move. To me, it looks like it should be a wave A. Now, the trend is technically down, so I mean, it looks like this should be a wave B, and it looks like it should go up and make a wave C. But we do have to realize that if it's counter trend trading, especially with the daily time frame and up, I mean, it looks like should go up, but it might even be more possible that it just keeps on trending down. So definitely be aware that if you are trying to go long, that you are counter trend trading, and it could just keep on going down really at any time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I still think this actually looks like an A. I still think this looks like a wave B. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down for a wave B. I still think it looks like it should go up and make a wave C, which would probably take it up above the highs of wave A. Then you would probably see a break of structure to the downside, probably a Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down, and the continuation of the downtrend. So I still think this is the most likely thing to happen based on price action, based on the Elliot wave count. But like I said, the daily time frame trend is down, and when the trend is down, you don't really know whether or not it's really going to make that big wave C like it should. It very easily could just keep on drifting down. So you could definitely be looking for longs for this wave C, but you definitely want to be cautious because the trend is down and it could just keep on trending at any point. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.